Louis, how much in frame am I?
You're in frame.
And then I'm going to crop out that side. Okay, is it recording? So it's day 7. Do you think I should record day 7 at Bumble and Tea?
Sure.
Yeah, should we record at Bumble and Tea for day 7?
Yeah.
Do you think I should do it like this? Maybe I'll do that another day, like day 10 or something. Day 7 of the 100 Digits of Pi a Day challenge. We are up outside my favourite cafe, Bumble and Tea. They have Bumble and Bee as well. So I've brought my bee juggling balls, which have bumblebees all over. So day 7 is 601 to 704. So we're doing 104 digits today, and then I'll do the other 96 tomorrow, so that we average 200 digits every 2 days. 0005 6812 71452635 60827785 77134275 77896091 73637178 72146844 09012249. No! Oh, it gets really dirty as well. Now I have to start again. Let me just double check. Take 2. 0005 6812 77896091 6 no 7. Okay, take 3. 0005 6812 72
Wrong.
oh, no. 71, isn't it? Okay, take 4, is it? I've got Louis checking the numbers behind the camera to let me know if I make a mistake, so I don't have to watch it back and see if I've made a mistake. Okay, take 4, I think. 0005 6812 7214 6844 5 4 right. Take 5. 0005 6812 0901 2249 54
53.
Oh, it's Peter Crouch. The next one is 54, isn't it?
Yeah, next one's 54.
Oh no. Take 6. 0005 6812 7968 9258. Oh no. Okay, take 7. No? Alright, take 7. 0005 6812 7145. Okay, take 8 or 9 or maybe 10, I can't remember. I did finish it, but then it stopped recording because I ran out of storage. So I've got to do it again so that you can see that I've done it. So Louis is going to be checking the numbers for me so I don't have to double check it afterwards. So, whatever take this is, 0005 6812 71452635 6082 7785 77134275 7789 6091 7363 7178 7214 6844 0901 2249 53420146 54958537 1050 7922 7968 9258 9235 4201. Done. Page 7 done. So if you want to follow along, tomorrow we're doing page 8. So tomorrow we're doing page 8 of my book, Slice of Pie. So if you want to get the book, then I'll leave a link down below and you can follow along or learn yourself and do your own challenge. All right, see you tomorrow.